Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting a complete real world ERP series using DearERP, our AI powered Odoo copilot. In this series, I will show you how a hotel and resort business runs completely inside Odoo, from bookings to billing, restaurant sales, inventory, reporting, and many more things. And the best part here, I didn't configure anything manually. I simply gave one structured prompt to Dear ERP and the entire business was created automatically. So let's verify everything step by step. Before jump into the Dear ERP, we will create a database first. So I am moving into the database odoo.sh. In odoo.sh, I have to simply click on this. Then I have to keep the repo name, so as I'm keeping this name, Hotel Business, and then version is 19, and then subscription code is required here. I paste this subscription code, then click on deploy. Let's wait for some time. It is taking load. Now it is started the initial build. Outstanding. Now it is ready. Our database is ready. Simply I have to click on connect button here, then it will redirect to our initial Odoo instance. And simply I have to move into the users. Then in this gear icon there is change password. So I'm changing my password here. It will log out. I have to check my credentials are working or not. Outstanding, friends, it is working. So what I have to do here, simply I have to copy this URL and then I have to move into the project creation. So what name we can keep here? As we have discussed, this is hotel business, so I'm simply keeping this name, hotel business. Then I have to keep this URL and automatically database name will get appear. Then I'll give the credentials also. Then I'll choose the direct mode here and then click on test and save. It will take few seconds and then it will redirect to our project page. Amazing. So now we are in Dear ERP now. So let's start with the company here. So first we do the company setup and then we install the request for installation modules, and then we will do some chat of accounts. So I have a prompt now. Create a complete hotel management business in Odoo. Business name Royal Stay Resorts, and then industry hospitality hotel plus restaurant, currency INR. Then there should be configuration also. So what need to configure here? First one is company details, and then install required modules. What required modules here? CRM, and then sales, and then inventory, purchase, accounting, POS, which stands the point of sale, and then employees. So, and third step is here, set up accounting structure. Okay, so what in this? Revenue, accounts, rooms, food, services, and then expense accounts, and then taxes, GST, India. And then in fourth step, create basic workflow. The detail and other operations and flows we will handle in the next day's prompts, but currently we are working on the basic structure and the setup of company. So that's the reason all things are related to it only. So here, room, booking, restaurant, billing, and then inventory, usage, vendor, purchase, payment, tracking, ensure everything is fully configured and ready for operations. Now I think you got a bit clarity about it. We are just making a setup while keeping and ensuring everything has to be ready for operations. So what I do here, I'll simply give this instruction to DearERP and then wait for some time till the execution. Outstanding, friends. Now we have got the response, whatever we have requested. So I'll check each and everything in a step-by-step manner. So don't go anywhere, stay focused with us and keep continue with the work. So now I am moving into the company details. For that, I have to check the companies. I'm clicking on open Odoo here. It will redirect to our Odoo instance page. I'm moving into the settings. In settings, there is a general settings, and then there is a company section is there. So if you check here this company section, everything is available as we have given this Royal Stay Resort name and with location. And then I have to check the installed apps. As you have seen already in this landing page, all requested modules or apps are installed. And then I have to move into the products. So whatever products we have requested, related products like standard room, outstanding, this is also available, and deluxe room, this is also available, suite room, this is also available, and then presidential presi yeah, presidential suite also available. And if I check the category like food and beverages, I'll check few things in that also. break Breakfast buffet also, and lunch buffet also, then room services also. Amazing, everything is available. And then I have to check the and call the section of hotel services. So I'll move there, and airport transfer services also outstanding available here. And if I check about the laundry service, this is also available, and early checkout, this is also available, early check-in and check-out also, like late 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 checkout also available. So services also available, outstanding. And then I'll move the in sale order. So what we'll check in sale order, confirm bookings, like we can create any bookings also here. So I'm using the name, and then I can add the products also in this, like products deluxe room, and then I can add the product uh, night breakfast or direct breakfast buffet. So I just confirmed it. So like this I can able to create the sale order also. In detail, in next further stages we will see in entire flow, but now whatever already get executed regarding the products and services, I'm just adding all these things. That's the reason I'm showing you. And also previously I have added and created the invoice also. So simply I'll go in invoicing and show you the invoice as well. So in customer there is invoice. So like just now I have created the invoice, and then I have followed the step-by-step process and paid the money also. So this is also entire process of invoices is available here. Nice, everything is good. And then I will move to the point of sale also. In point of sale we have requested these two restaurant here, or restaurant segments here. So one is Royal Stay Restaurant, and second one is Royal Stay Bar and Lounge. So I'll simply click here to register. So not required anything, like so I can add the items and continue with my shopping also. And same thing goes for this restaurant as well. I can add the item, and then I can pay the billing. I can bill and pay the money also. And then whenever required the CRM group booking lead also, that also feasible, that also available in this whatever we have requested. So we will move into the CRM. In CRM, uh, there is one lead here, corporate group booking TCS conference. So this requires actually 15 deluxe rooms per 3 night for a corporate conference and 45 room nights total. So if this kind of the lead also is coming, then everything will be get created in on one prompt only. Like there are many stages also created here if you see clearly, and then we can easily see in the employees also. When I move into the employees, I'll search employee name Pri- Priya Priya Sharma. So like in one prompt all these things are created. So this is basically happen a setup level requirement is done yet. We haven't involved in any kind of any kind of the operations yet, but still we will do in upcoming days, like how uh, operations are feasible and aligned to our requirement. But in a overview process, I'll tell you what we have configured and what we have executed yet. Like customer books a room, check in recorded, check-in is recorded, restaurant order are billed, housekeeping updates room status, inventory is consumed, and purchases refill stock, payments and invoices are tracked, reports give business insights, and all of this is handled by Dear ERP. We didn't act anything in a manual process. So simply we give in the prompt and everything get executed. So if you found this video helpful, useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. See you in the next one.